I was fine with the men who would come to
my vagina
now and again. I was fine, 'cause I knew that they didn't really
slurp that dick till it come.
I was fine when you
smack my ass like the drum,
and we
slurp
like it was all some silly game over
my vagina.
who she'd choose. After all those years, I never thought I'd
slurp that dick till it come.
It's over, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it over?